Hi, good morning. How y'all doing?
Morning, Chris. Doing well. How about yourself?
I can't complain. Can't complain. Take a look at this screen right quick. You remember earlier this week we was breaking down QQQ, and we said the play is top of this white line. Let me move this white line right quick. That one. So this box that it had been in for so long on the 4 hour time frame. Look right here inside this box, in the box, in the box, in the box, in the box, and we broken out of the box and pushed back into it multiple times. Now look what we finally went to outside of this box on the 4 hour time frame. We broke outside of this box. We broke outside of the box, and now we're sitting on top of the box. Okay, this is very, very important. We was inside that box for so long. Now that we're outside the box, I got it. I got it. Now that we're out, I got it. Now that we're outside the box, and with us being outside the box, that's the potential. We went to the upside. We didn't win to the downside. We went to the upside. Out of all the data that's coming out, it's okay. So with all the data that came out, news that came out, the market kind of pushed down some today at 8:30 with unemployment numbers. With all that happening, we still fierce. We pushing up. Hold on. Wrong thing. Aha, wrong thing. Wrong thing. That's why I had that right here. Right here. I might say we just broke above. Right here. Boom. From the 4 hour time frame right here, this area. We literally just broke above. And so right now we're sitting on top of it. We done broke beneath it. Every time we break beneath, we go back, we come back inside. Okay. Now we broke above. And then when the data came out for the unemployment numbers at 8:30, we broke above. And then now we broke beneath, and now we broke right back above. That's a strong level. So it's a strong level of support for us now. So when the market does open in a couple seconds, we want to see what price action is going to look like at this white line on QQQ. In my personal opinion, QQQ is going to drive the market today for the ETFs. Just kind of see how that goes. Yesterday on Thursday, they released the PCE numbers, and the PCE numbers came out better than expected, or basically meeting expectations or better than expected. And you see the market reacted in a positive way. It shot up big yesterday, right around here. This push up right here was all based off of that PCE number, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, the PCE number. And you see it kind of ran up and it really just consolidated. Oh, this was yesterday right here. Yeah, I'm sorry. This white line. Yeah. So right here, it pushed up right here yesterday. And boom. Just kind of went back inside that box. Now we inside the box. Then today we're above the box. So let's see how let's see how QQQ breaks down. And let's see if we stay above that box or not. That's one thing that I'm looking for with QQQ today. So QQQ may take precedence over SPY for it. Nice push up so far. And we're breaking this white box right here, the 1 hour demand supply zone. So we're breaking through that supply zone as well. Anybody catch that AMD run yesterday?
I caught the second wave, but I saw it struggling. I didn't. I saw it struggling on the 5 minute, and then I ended up getting out, and then it took off. The next 15 minute count. But I made profits though.
Good stuff. CYC, congratulations. I didn't even see that. I didn't even see that AMD. That was crazy though. I can't. I went back and I saw somebody in Discord chat. I think I saw Miss Michelle in the Discord chat say something about it. So I went back and looked. I said, "Holy crap! That thing fell down. It literally just went crazy."
Yeah, it went down on the 15 minute. Went down to the 9 EMA. So that's why I was in.
Uh huh.
But I saw on the 5 minute, I was like, man, this could be going to perform a double top. I was like, well, that's cool. I at least catch it going back up. And then, you know, I had my take profit level, but then I saw it struggling on the 5 minute. But I was busy all day yesterday. That was just barely snuck in and was able to look at the market. And then I was like, you know what, I'm just taking my profit. I'm go in. And I finished off the day, everything else I had to do. But when I went back, when I got home, I looked, I was like, oh my God. I was in at the bottom of that second move. I could have made all that, man.
All of it. Listen, that people fail to realize, man, that second move be the best moves. That second move be better than the first move a lot of times. A lot of times that second move is amazing. But yeah, that's good stuff. Congratulations. Hey, listen, also everybody, y'all who did that, everyone who did the February challenge, man, listen, congratulations. I'm proud of y'all. Y'all really, I was in the Discord chat looking at all your posts and everything. Y'all really was disciplined. Definitely displayed discipline. Definitely taking your profits and don't get lost. You're only losing a small amount. So good stuff, y'all. Congratulations. Continue that same thing and more. That was real dope. All right, let's see. So this is that steep fall right here around that steep fall right here around that was 4:55, and then 8:30 came. The news came out. Not too much happened at 8:30. That news came out. This looks beautiful right here on the 5 minute time frame. I actually like how this looks on the 5 minute time frame. I might break my own rule to get in now. I may break my rule and get in now. Look at that decision making time, how we pushing up right there. That's the 5 minute, that 15 minute. And if I do happen to get in now, it's going to be a tight stop loss. But we know we got to get above this pre-market high right as well. That pre-market high that was a huge drop off this morning right here, all the way back down to 507. Interesting. I like this move right here. I like this setup. I'm not gonna lie. I may be a little antsy right now. Let's see. Go ahead and get everything prepared. The fact that we broke above that box on QQQ. That's speaking volumes to me right now. Was that 4,200, 5,200 calls? I just got. Yep, 5,200. I like where we are right now. Give it a couple more minutes. Give some more minutes. Because you know, at any moment we can have a huge push down. I don't want to get caught in any type of madness. Let's see. Anybody else looking at any other stocks? Tesla's hanging around that 200 area, everybody.
Yeah, I got into a Tesla call yesterday, and it's not looking good right now.
What did he go down? It went down overnight. Yeah, a couple
Yeah,
dollars
but at
down
the same
overnight.
time, I got to think about it. I got it for today, and the theta kind of ate it up just because of time.
Yeah. That 200 has been shown as a level of support. I think 200 to like 198, something like that, been shown as a level of support. So. All right, SPX kind of pulling back a little bit. Okay, pulling back a little bit. SPY on the 5 minute. Okay, so I am loaded. I'm loaded. I'm actually gonna get in early, everybody. Now y'all gonna say, Chris, it's out of your character. What are you doing? What are you doing? No, right? Give it a couple more seconds. I'm going to buy in right about now. All right, I got in early. I'm in super early, super early. I hate when I keep doing that because I'm not doing that. I mean, hitting the buy market. And lately, when I've been hitting buy market, I've been down like $100 a week. It's like I'm getting 10 contracts, right? And so off of those 10 contracts, they're hitting me with I'm down $10 on each contract base. That's what it's kind of feeling like. Now I'm definitely in early on this play. I'm only willing to risk $500 on this play, everybody. Only willing to risk about 500. And potential exit is right around here. This 510 area is potential exit for them. Maybe even a little bit sooner than that. But that's potential entry. I mean, potential exit for them. Sorry, not entry, exit.
Yeah, Chris, I got that R1 at 5-10-10.
5, 10, 10. Okay, yep, perfect. Perfect. Where's your pivot point, Billy? Should be right around it, right? So close to it.
Yeah, R1 5-10-10. R2 is 5-12-12.
Okay.
And pivot point is 507-72.
507-72.
And support 1, 505-71.
I'm gonna stop at you say what's the pivot?
The pivot is 507-72.
507-72.
Basically close where that 200 EMA is in the 15-minute.
Okay, that's 15. Okay, perfect.
I'll put in the chat, matter of fact, too.
Nah, you good. I think I'm good. 507.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it for if anybody else needs it.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Remove price. All right, this is my intermediate trade tape right here. My goal is I want to get out at this 510 area right here, this R1. Okay, that's why I want to get out at. That's what I'm looking at. Come on, 15 charts. And like everybody, y'all know I don't get in this early, so I must be seeing something that I like. And if it doesn't work out in my favor, what am I going to do? I'm going to get out with a $500 loss, something around that nature. Be done with that particular trade and go looking at my next opportunity. Right now, it's definitely falling. Let's see, where are we? It's up to the 5 minute. All right. 68 cents. All right. Pivots right here. Okay, see. Big
Hey,
sissy.
Chris.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, good morning.
Morning.
Real quick, I just jumped on. So you are looking at SPY, so you're looking more for a put?
No, so I'm in spot calls. I jumped in early on spot calls. I want to take the price to this 510 area. That's my play. See how it plays. We're gonna see how it plays out. If I lose, I'm gonna lose $500 and I'm out. And I'm gonna look for my next play. I got in before 10. I got in before 10 o'clock. right?
Uh-huh.
Got in before 10 o'clock. I normally do not do that.
Right.
One of the reasons why I did get in early, I could have waited until it came down to where it's at now, but I didn't want to take that chance. Because all of this, let me show you. All of this fuss right here, is not a demand zone or a supply zone, just a lot of fuss right there. You see all this back and forth right here in this gray area? A lot of fuss right there. So that's why I got in when it came down here to the 9 EMA in this fuss right here. I got into the play.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yep. So now I want to see it push back up to that 510. Another thing that was giving me vibes to get in. Like I said, I could be wrong, everybody, but when QQQ has broken above that 4 out that box, and it came back and it retested at that 8:30 time frame, and it held true. So when that held true as well, it's giving me vibes that we could be pushed up today. And like I said, at any given moment, the market could reverse and go down. But for now, I'm playing call, and I'm willing to risk $500 on the play I'm in right now.
Okay, thank you for explaining that again.
No problem. No problem. I probably should have got in on QQQ instead of SPY because QQQ look good. Real cool. You can kind of see, take a look at the 3 stores. You can kind of see. So the 1 minute is over here on the left side. The 15 minute is right here above the 9 EMA. On the 5 minute, we keep falling beneath the 9 EMA, but we kind of keep trying to push back above it. Okay, so I want to see us stay above that 9 EMA. That's what I'm looking for. All right, we're gonna push down. QQQ kind of broke down some too. So we're going a little push down. Look for the push down. Buying happening right here in this push down area, this whole area congestion right here. I know if we break beneath that congestion, it's pretty much over for me. Take a look at QQQ. QQ hovering around at 9 on the 5. Take a look at the big boys. Got Apple. In fact, let's see what AMD. Of course. Look at that run up yesterday on AMD. Good geez, Louise. I can want to try to get some of them back today, though. The video is actually pushing today. Pushed up $10 overnight a little bit. Kind of holding still right now. Kind of holding still. We got Google. Google kind of pushing down. It's gone. It's in the middle. What do you say Apple is doing? Apple giving back. Apple hit that 178 level, so we have broken 180 on Apple. It broke above and did come back and retest. I do not like the fact that it came back above 180 and rejected that 180 time front, 180 area. I do not like that Apple. I would have wanted to stay above that 180 area. Just look at everything holistically for a short push up. Apple has to get through this mess right here, though. The same little mess. Apple will need to get through this. Get through that. And I can see a small trend line forming right here. See a small trend line potentially forming to the downside. As you can see, we're finding support right around here. We're finding support for the past 15 minutes. We found support right around this 508.60 area right there. We found support right there. Okay, we found some support right there, that 508.60 area. And we're finding resistance right around here. We are making low on the 5 minute time frame. We're making lower highs. We're making lower. Look on the 5 minute time frame right here. We're making lower highs. We're making equal lows. So it's going to be an interesting move to the upside or to the downside off of that. Either way, it can go. And you know, at 10 a.m., everybody, at 10 a.m., sometimes we get a wicked move to the upside or to the downside. So that's one thing I got to be fearful of as well.
They had
But
news today too, don't they, Chris?
I think news come out at 8:30. I don't know if some come out. I don't know if some come out at 10. Some may come out at 10. I know we had thought we had some at PMI at 10. I mean 8:30 if I'm not mistaken. The video trying to inch its way up. Take a look at the vid. The video is slowly trying to creep up. Slowly trying to round up for the video. All right, spies breaking below that, beneath that support level that we done had sitting here. Just trying to break beneath it. As you can see, that trend line is pushing it down. That trend line keeps applying pressure to it.
I'm living in this range today.
What's going on, Sebastian? How you doing, brother? Love your videos. Love your videos, by the way, brother. Love those videos.
Thank you. Thank you. That's little man doing. I hear him over there. You hear me, Chris?
Say it again.
I said, how's little man doing? I hear him in there.
Oh yeah, man, feeding him and he crawling now, man. So he on the go. He said he don't chill no more. He on the go. So got gates up all around. Got the gate up around the house, so he can't maneuver too far. Right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Got in on the 8:30 push down.
All right, couple minutes till 10. Here we go. All right, let's see if we can get back up here. 10 a.m., 3 seconds. Let's see if we get a crazy push down or up. Oh, got a crazy push to the upside. Good geese Louise, what's going on? I'm up $700 right now. Let's go ahead and lock in 700. All right, I'm locked in at 700 profit already. All right, I am out $700 profit. That was a crazy push up at 10, wasn't it? Crazy push up. Why is my screen moving so slow like this? Crazy push up off of the sentiment data. That's an aggressive candlestick right there, wouldn't you say? Right. So yeah, that was a crazy push up just now. Let's see what the 1 minute look like. So look, we had that push up. That was a crazy push up off of that the sentiment data. So apparently, let's see if this sentiment data came out positive or negative. Honestly, it's Friday. I shouldn't even trade no more for the rest of the day. Take those wins and go on about my business. Yep, and I remember I said my take profit. That was my take profit level, Sebastian. Billy had told us that F2, that I mean R1 was that 10, that basically that 510. Now it's my profit taking level as well. That's the pre-market high. That's the pre-market high as well. That's the pre-market high as well. Now this push down is kind of scary though. Something to look at. The data that is pushing down. Let's see what QQQ is doing. QQQ, same thing. So I wish let me look at this. US stocks. Are we in the bubble? SPY. Here we go. It's not gonna give me any feet. The sentiment 769, 76.9 versus 79 EST, 79 prior. That's a negative number, if I'm not mistaken. All right, it may be second move time, everybody. That was the first move. This may be second move time. Let's watch and see what this price action does right here on SPY. See what this price action does on SPY.
Hey, Chris.
Yes, sir. Look at that.
See, we keep waking up, right? But the reality is that we're at this 509.50 has been the high for like 180 days. That's been all the way across. You can go back several days on that too. But we keep wicking out of it, but we haven't closed above that 509.50 yet. And then it always pushes back down to that 507 area.
Good stuff. Good stuff. And look, and take a look at QQQ. Look at QQQ on the 4-hour time frame.
What could have been a road race.
That QQQ on the 4-hour time frame been giving us a whole story, right? For the like a whole story for the past, like you said, on that 180 day, at least for a good. Let me take a look at it. So look right here on QQQ. Right here on the 4-hour time frame. Matter of fact, you can see it better on my you can see it better on my trading view. Take a look right
In
here.
about 2 weeks.
You look right here. You see it?
Yes, sir. It's been about 2 weeks. I've been looking at that for 2 weeks.
Yep, exactly. And then we broke. See, we broke beneath it yesterday. I said, okay, we may be pushing down. But then we pushed back up off of the PCE data right back into this box. And we left out of this box right here. For me right now, we've retested it twice since we broke through it, or 3 times actually since we broke through it. This is a positive sign, but it's like the market's like, but we'll see how that plays out.
Yeah, right now, NVIDIA is definitely driving the car for us.
It's moving up right now too. This AI stock right here, what is it? CI.ai? It had been kind of moving as well. They say this may be the next one. So y'all put this on your watch list, that AI stock. Put on your watch list. Go from there. Put this on your watch list. Matter of fact, I got it right here. I'm gonna watch it closely. I'm gonna break it down, do some levels on it, and see what's what, and then kind of go from there with it.
Take a look at Dell, Chris. We missed Dell yesterday. They had earnings yesterday, and they're big in the AI too.
Lord have mercy. It went up and away. Yeah, that's nice. $23 push up. That's crazy. And I got onto my snowflakes earning. They hit everything. And next thing you know, the CEO resigns. Boom. Fell straight down. I'm like, holy crap. That was yesterday. So I put like 2,000 in it. So of course I lost that 2,000. Then I got 900 of it back, and I traded SPX yesterday. So wasn't too bad of a loss. $1,000 loss instead of 2,000.
Not there yet.
No, I see you had that $1,500 day, bro.
All right, man. Listen. Yeah, all praise to the Most High, and I appreciate you. I haven't had a chance to actually talk to you. I appreciate you, man. You, Davon, JT, you guys taught me the game. You got me there. I'm just putting in the work behind the scenes.
You doing good, man. Keep growing that YouTube channel. When you're doing YouTube, think about YouTube as a 2-3 year investment. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm looking at it as a 2-3 year investment. Get your first 1,000 followers, and then get things like 4,000 hours of watch time. Get that up, and then you will be able to make money off of YouTube. But look at it for like 3 to 4 years, and what's the next thing you know, you're gonna turn around. And I remember people when COVID starting YouTube channels, and now they got hundreds of thousands of followers, subscribers on YouTube, and probably making decent money off of it, right? I know JT probably make about $70,000-$80,000 a month sometimes off YouTube. So
crazy.
Yeah, so keep delivering content, putting it out there. I'm tempted to get back into a call position. This is a great entry. This is a great point right here, but it's struggling above here. It really is struggling. It really is struggling. And I want to make this a little bit wider so I can see. Let's put this up here now. This is kind of where we are right now. Right there.
We've been bouncing off of, if you look at ES, we've been bouncing off of the 5116, and we've been bouncing off of this level on SPY as well. We really got to see if we're gonna finally get the breakout or not. But we've been bouncing it down off this level pretty much all morning, so I'd be very careful about with a call on this one.
Yeah, it's rough.
If
Definitely
you
rough.
look, it's almost a flat line if you go to the 4 hour. If you go to the 1 hour too, you'll see it.
Yep, right here. Ah,
I mean, all night long, we've been right here in this range, up and down.
Hmm.
Usually we get down to about 508 to 507.75,
Yep,
but
and
it
then
looks like we're gonna stay in this 508 area.
yep. So we from 507.8 to basically 510. 507.75, 507.80 to 510. Like you say, up to the top, fall back down to the bottom. Up to the top right now, and we're looking at potentially either gonna break through or fall right back down to that bottom and just consolidate. Strong possibility. 1 second. All right, here we go. Let's see if
I'm
it
up
breaks.
900 off the pullback and push back up.
You in contracts or you in futures?
Yes, contracts.
Okay. Let me put that. You in options or futures? Because both of them contracts.
Yeah, options. Here,
Options.
I do have a question because I have
Mm-hmm.
to close out. What when you're doing a trailing stop, does
Mm-hmm.
it actually move on its own when you're not by your computer? Because apparently I've been doing that wrong in TradingView.
Yeah, it moves by itself. So you put a trailer
Okay.
stop in, it goes up. It goes up as the stock goes.
Do you have a second to show us how that works in TradingView? Because is it like a macro or something?
In trading view, I don't know how to do it in trading.
Okay, so it's not just me. I thought I was crazy because I have to sit there and move my stop on my own all the time.
Because you have yourself hooked up to your trading view, right?
Yeah,
Yeah. So I've never actually got into a trade using trading view.
yeah. I just slide it. It's pretty easy to slide it and modify it. I've just never used an actual trailing stop on here either on Thinkorswim. So
Yeah. And when you're doing a think, so if you want to do a trailer stop on Thinkorswim, what you would do is you go to your positions, right click,
yeah,
then hit the create closing order, and then from
yeah,
there you can do that trail and stop from there. You can kind of put down how many points you want to do it for and all that good stuff.
yeah. I don't think we have that option in TradingView. I've seen it on here though.
Yeah, interesting.
But yeah, yeah, yeah. You can do contracts with ES as well, or options with ES as well. Yeah, they move like crazy.
Oh, I never tried to do options with ES. Hmm. All right, so we came back to that 510 area, that R1, strong levels, that R1 pre-market highs, everything. And we rejected that level a little bit. But at the same time, we rejected the level. But look at the 9 EMA growing with, even on the 1 minute time frame. I think my computer. Let me get my laptop, my charger. 1 second. All right, there we go. Yeah, she definitely wants to break this level. She's fighting.
I think we're gonna break out today.
Yeah, I'm seeing the same thing. Once if we do happen to do a small little pullback, I will re-enter in on calls. If we do a little small pullback, I will re-enter in on calls at this resistance level, which is a little risky, but QQQ running. There goes the QQQ. She running.
509.45 looks like a good bounce area for SPY.
509.45.
Tell AMD still running too, man.
Yep. Look, that's the level I got. 509.45. That's my goal line. AMD running?
Yeah, it's still going up, man.
Good geez.
AMD on steroids right now.
It's up $8. It's over 200, Billy. Get out of here. It's over 200.
Man, hey, I don't even want to talk about it, Chris.
Yeah, and the crazy thing, Billy, we'll still be in because we had March 15th. We could possibly still be in. We had March 15th expiration dates. God, no, man.
Matter of fact, I'm about to look at that. I know we had a 165 strike on it.
Oh my gosh, I'm sick.
Good morning, Mr. Pickering. Good morning, everybody.
Hey, how you doing, Sebastian? Ain't heard from you in a while, brother.
Oh yeah.
How you been doing?
My mornings are pretty busy, but I've been getting in these early and middle of the night trades, so it's still going well.
That's
growing
good.
a lot, growing a little bit every day. And we broke out.
The other business doing well?
Yes, sir.
Lord. Hey, Chris.
Uh-huh.
Man, that contract I had right now, that thing would be at $3,700 off $200.
Oh God.
Man, I gotta learn how to do these swing plays, man. That's crazy.
Man, I was in the same boat with you, Mr. Pickering. Remember, I sold out when you guys sold out.
Oh man,
it was hard seeing the money go down.
Right. The thing about this is, and I know you're not supposed to do this in trading, everybody. This is not a good thing what I'm about to say about to do. Just imagine if that market didn't fall down in July. If interest rates would if what is it called? If that fear of rates going inflation going back up would not have came out in July. What happened in October would have happened in July.
I'm gonna tell you what we should have repositioned and got back in.
You're right. It was in my personal opinion. I already had said when they break 100, I'm done. So I'm like, okay, it's breaking.
Yeah, and I got to that point. I was like, man, I got down $100. I mean, I was going. I think it was $230 or $250. I spent. It might have been $230 or $220.
Mm-hmm.
And I said, man, if I get under 50%, I think I waited until around about 50%, a little. It was about 50% when I got there. I told myself I was going to get out, and that's what I did. With swing plays, I gave myself up to 50% with swing plays.
You stayed true.
Huh?
You stayed true to your thoughts, which was good. You see what I'm saying? Stay true to your thoughts. You just, man. Hey, we could have had that one break though. If we could have just had like a strong push up or something that would just kept us in that trade.
Yeah, exactly.
God,
give us confirmation, just stay in.
But then at the same time, it's my fault as well though, because the same time I got out, I'm screaming, y'all, SPY finna go to 500. It doesn't align. You see what I'm saying? My actions did not align to what I was saying because we knew SPY was gonna go to 500 because SPY was at 415, going to 410 and all that stuff. Boom, I get out to play. Like for what? You see what I'm saying? Like this is bounce. This is bounce area. Go up time. But it's all.
Hey Chris, who was the dude? You had a guy on here. You helped him do some swing calls. I think Microsoft was one of them.
Oh yeah, Jeff Golden, Myron Golden's brother.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder how that turned out.
Oh, he bought more. He sold, bought more, and he said he made some good money off of those calls.
man.
Yep, I think
mean,
he
you
actually
just
sold before the July sell-off. So I don't know if he got back in after the in October when the push-up happened, but he definitely sold before the July sell-off.
man.
Yeah. Like
It's
Myron,
just funny, man. I'm sitting there like we hearing this stuff and not reacting from it. You know,
Mhm.
everybody talking, oh man, it's down. We need to buy it. That's even like stocks I need to buy right now. We should have been buying Tesla when it got way down and now it's starting to come back up. I mean, me personally, right now, Apple might be a good buy as well right now.
But the thing about with Apple is it's not it might be. You know it's a good buy. You see what
Yeah,
I'm saying? Like there's
yeah.
there's nothing that's possibly going to stop Apple.
Mm,
It's not there. Like nothing can stop Apple. Apple will go back up to 200 eventually. It may lag for a little bit, but it will go back up eventually.
I'm gonna tell you the thing I like about Apple over Tesla is the fact that Apple pays a little bit of dividends.
Mhm.
Mhm.
Tesla doesn't.
Yep. Yep. And
Okay.
that's
Quick.
why Meta went crazy because Meta introduced they're paying dividends now for the first time.
Oh, really?
And
I didn't know that.
on
And
that last
they had a
earnings,
buyback
Meta
too.
had a buyback too.
Yeah, they had a stock buyback, so that boosted it up even higher.
Mm. And that's what happened over their last earnings. Just went
I'm
crazy.
not certain.
All right, so we
And
can
also, I don't
consolidate.
know if anybody know Walmart did a split, a what a 3-to-1 split
Oh, they
a
did. When does it
couple
take
days
place?
ago.
It
What
already
was that,
happened.
Al? Wednesday, Al said he ended up buying some.
Nice.
Okay. Hey, well,
Oh,
since we're all here, quick update real quick on I got my tax paperwork back and it shows, what you made and what you lost. So remember, I was down like $7,000 on my one account. I actually ended up positive $770. And on the account where I lost like all the money, I ended up negative $1,200. So I dug out of a $7,000 hole by like $6,500 by the time the end of the year it came.
let's go. Good stuff.
Yeah.
Good
Granted, didn't get to
stuff.
see any of that money.
Yeah.
Good stuff. Also, everybody, you can file if you want to. You can file as a what is it? A market to market trader. So a market to market trader, basically, and you can do it. You have to do it like when you file your taxes before the deadline. A market to market trader allows you to any losses you take trading, you can write them off as a business expense. So if you say you lose $10,000 trading and your full time income you make $100,000, you can write $10,000 off. So now instead of you having to file tax on $100,000, you file taxes on $90,000. So that's just a way to cover yourself if you happen to take a loss.
Yeah.
Chris, do you
Mar-
have to have an LLC to do that?
Market to market trader, no, you do not. No
Okay.
LLC needed at all.
Yeah. So how my last year played out, my very first year trading, I made $12,000, but I lost $13,000. So basically my initial investment. And then like I would just go up and down and up and down and up and down over the entire year. But it was a good year overall, man. I learned so much from you guys.
That's good. All praise to the Most High. The next thing is that's why 2024 go crazy, go crazy. And this market does not want to fall. This market is going to. I think this market is going to break out, and it may respect this 9 EMA 1 minute time frame on this 9 EMA. This next run may respect the 9 EMA on the 1 minute time frame. This may be something I look at getting to. I head out, baby.
So another way you know that we still have a lot of room to grow, Nvidia hit 823.94 at one point in time. They're still sitting around 806. So they got a lot of room to push up. And we're the highest that SPY's been so far. This thing is running. This thing is going crazy. We might see 511 soon.
I bet I was just talking. I was talking on mute. My apologies. Yeah, this thing really is rolling.
I looked at RSI on all the time frames. They don't even think it's oversold yet. I mean, overbought yet, and it's still pushing.
Look how QQQ look. It's the 15-minute time frame. It's still early on. This is real early on. Mess around to get a $6-7 SPY day today. I want it. I want the gusto. Give me all the MC gusto. I want it. I missed that entry when it fell down to that 509.80. Went real quick push down on the 1-minute time frame. I missed that entry. So but now we broke above that high, that previous wick we had right here on the from earlier this morning. I think we been broke above that, dude. Right here. Here we go. This wick right here from earlier this morning at 10 a.m. We broke above that wick, and now we're sitting on top of that level right now. Sit on top of that level right now. Let's see how that plays out. I do want to enter right now, but tad bit be patient. Now being a little bit more patient probably may end up hurting me, but we're gonna see. I may get into a QQQ play at the same time. I really like how QQQ was building up. Then Q about to hit 100. And Q at 96. Marshall just made 40%.
Oh, CYC, congrats.
Right. There goes the potential consolidation time again. So we can kind of see right now, look on this 5-minute for this time being, the 5-minute is not coming back to the 90 MA at all. Okay. So right here, look at the 5-minute, it's not coming back to the 90 MA. But look at this 1-minute time frame, we are coming back to the 90 MA. Ever since this breakout right here, pushed up, come back, pushed up, consolidate, broke through, pushed up. And now we're probably going to see another consolidation right here on the 1-minute time frame that leads to a higher push up. We're going to see, I think my entry point is going to be off of this. My entry point is going to be off of this somewhere around here potentially. The main reason I'm hesitant is because I'm already up $700, so that's why I'm hesitant. And I'm really only willing to lose another 200, keep me above 500 for the day.
We just hit that 1030, so we're seeing a little pullback there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's looking so tempting.
Mm. Did you ever take profits?
Oh yeah. You know how to play around.
Okay. Congratulations, CYC. All
Thank you,
praise to
thank
the
you.
Most High. AMD had a strong pullback. Strong pullback on AMD. All right, y'all. Let's keep our eyes open. What's happening? AMD support level right there. So watch AMD around that 196 area. Keep your eyes open.
On SPY, we formed a new level of support at 509.80 to 509.90. Let's see if we can break it.
All right, this is mad. This is a nice push down for no reason. Normally we get it for no reason push down. It's gonna wick back up. Let's see. All right, the 1 minute we can see a wick happening right here on the 1 minute time frame.
That might have just been a liquidity grab. Some people just, accept their profits.
Look where it came down to on the 1 minute time frame. Came back to that last consolidation area. That one. What you said? Support level. What support level you was looking at just now?
509.80 to 509.90.
Yep, right here. Yep, exactly. Let's see if it comes back down
You
to this
see it a
level or
lot
not.
on the 1 minute.
Yep, it's vivid right here on the 1 minute. That may be a level right there because it did hit it. And SPY's only up $2 so far right now, so we may have some ways to travel.
You know what I've learned? It's always super easy to find the floor on a stock, right? It is so hard to find the top.
Exactly. It's like the top is like whatever they want to sell, they just let go and release. NVIDIA didn't pull back though. Took QQQ, she pulled back. QQQ harsh. All right. Double top on a 1 minute time frame on QQQ. This is interesting. Double top on almost a double top, but on a 1 minute time frame definitely formed a higher low on QQQ. That's interesting, everybody. I'll be a tad bit more patient.
We're breaking support.
Definitely forming some lower highs. All
If
right,
we
it's at
get
that
that
level.
hard
It's
push
at
down to
that 580.
509,
Yeah, it's at that 509.80 area. This is where I buy. This is where I buy in. All right, I'm getting back in right here at this area. I'm only willing to lose about $300 on this particular play, everybody. I'm not playing around with it.
so what made you buy in, sir? Just a strong level of support?
Oh crap, I'm doing some trip. Say it again. Yep, strong level of support. That strong level of support right here. Coming back down to this fuss right here. Came right back down to that fuss. I do believe that that sell-off would happen really for no reason. NVIDIA didn't sell off with it. NVIDIA kept going. AMD did fall down like $4, but it pushed right back above 5. And we fell back down to an area of mess. And that area mess, it was no true reason for that push down. If we break that area mess, I get out. That area mess will take us on that down to that 509.45, that R1.
If you put your cursor under it, that 509.85 is just a perfect line all the way across for about 20 minutes. Maybe more.
Special. Yep. It's beautiful right there. So we're gonna see. So what I want to see is come back up here, take out this 50, this 510.48 area and go ahead to 511. If we hit 511, that should give me about $1,000 profit, somewhere around there. Tad bit more maybe. But if we break this 509.82 area, I'm not playing with. I'm gonna get out. Call it a day. And a 1 minute drop, crazy. All right, the 1 minute is coming back to the 9 EMA as well. The green line is coming towards it, to the 9 EMA coming towards the 21 on the 1 minute.
Looks like it's trying to change in trend.
There it goes right there. It's trying to, it's back edit. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? It's holding strong. It's like you want to break through. It's retesting. What you gonna do? Come on. QQQ is kind of holding though. What you gonna do? It's taking my profits. You giving it back, Jack. Don't give it back.
It's starting to shift bearish.
It's struggling. Definitely struggling. Definitely making those higher lows, lower highs, like I had pointed out. There she goes. She finna fall. She's about to fall. You gonna fall?
Might get one last hurrah here.
Just trying. We're gonna see.
Come on, one last hurrah. Give him the money.
Gonna break above this 510. Break above this 510. Take me to the high.
Here we go. Okay,
Take me
one
to the
last
high.
hurrah.
Let's go. Do not reject this level. Not reject. If we reject, that's not a positive thing. Not reject. No, don't reject. Let's go. Let's go.
It's retesting.
Yep. Don't reject. No, wick. Wick turn green. Wick turn green on the 1 minute. Wick turn green on the 1 minute. Wick turn green on the 1 minute. Let's break above this 510. Wick can turn green. Wick can turn green. Wick can turn green. They go to wick. Stay green. Let's go. Stay green, break above 510, break above 510. Let's go. Break above 510.
Oh, shot in the arm. It's getting a shot
Break
in the
above
arm.
510. Come on. Break above 510. Let's
There we
go.
go.
All right. Let's break above 510,
Okay.
23. Break above 510, 20. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Break above. Break above. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go test this high. Let's go test it. Let's go test it. Let's go test this high. Let's go. We got to break above this resistance level. Come on. Come on. Don't falter. Don't stop. QQQ is going back up. AMD. AMD did fall further than I would like. NVIDIA is still holding strong. Okay, there we go. Let's break above this 520. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Push, push, push. All right, the retest is real right here. We could reject this level right here and have a big, huge red candlestick. It goes right back down. Let's not reject. If it reject and go right back down, that's not good. Okay, let's
If
go.
we break this 25, we're going to the 30s. Come on now. Don't push back.
Well, good play, Chris. Good play.
You got to break 25 cent.
Yeah, we got to break that 25 cent. Got to break it. Come on. What they say, Billy, it ain't a good play till you sell, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Come
Are
on,
you
break
up?
this 25 cent. Yeah, I'm up 150, 200 right now. Come on, break this 25 cents. Come on, break the 25 cent. Let's go. Break the 25 cent. Ah, come on. I don't like it didn't break that
Play it
25
safe
cents
or you
right
going to
there.
risk it for the biscuit?
I mean, I'm willing to lose I'm willing to lose 200 altogether, so I'm willing to lose 200. Well, I was already above 200. I mean, at 200, but I was not going to sell at the support level, tell you that much.
25 is holding hard.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. What you want to do?
It's resisting.
Strong too. Come on. I think it's just waiting for me to sell and get out, and it's gonna shoot up.
Exactly.
The whole
Hey,
market waiting on me,
you
everybody.
can always
I'm
get back in.
the catalyst holding the market up, holding the market down, everybody.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's about to trying to fall back. Let's see what you gonna do.
Mm.
You gotta stay above that 25. Gotta
Trying to
stay
see how
above it.
strong your poker face is, Chris.
Huh?
Trying to see how strong that poker
Oh,
face
there
is.
it is. 26 cents.
I done told
27.
everybody
Okay, that's it.
I done told everybody I got
That's
four
it.
aces over here, Billy. Listen, right? And we got four aces over here. We ready. I'm
That's
going
it.
to
We're
war
still
with
pushing.
There you go.
you. War. All right, let's stay above. Come on.
I'm not even gonna lie to you. I just folded
Them
it
1
just
minute
now.
moves look so deadly, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
I'm folding right there at that 30 cent.
Yeah. You said you folding at 30 cent?
Yeah.
Come on, let's see. She don't want to play ball today. That's a bullish 15-minute candlestick. Look at that 15-minute bullish candlestick. 5 minute, we're looking at right. That's a bullish 15-minute candlestick.
Funny thing is, you probably got some of these members right now talking about, Chris, get out for mine to go up. Chris,
Boy, I used to be thinking the same. I was like, man, let's just go the opposite of what I say do. Like, if I say
yeah,
go
I swear
call,
that's
y'all
what it
just go
was.
through.
That's what it seemed like sometimes.
That 38 cent area is really flat across the top for the 15 minutes. So if we can break up, then you can get a little more. But 38 cents kind of a key area. There's
There you
40.
go, Chris.
48.
What a 5.
48. Let's go. Where you at?
We going to 511? What's going on here?
Might be going to 511. You break this high right here. We going to 5. We should be trying to go to that 511. Let's go.
Yeah, once you cross 48 cents, it usually jumps all the way like 68, 70 cents.
Yeah, she broke.
There it is. There it is.
Come on.
I don't know why I'm so excited for this trade like I'm in it.
Stay true. Let's go. All right, I'm locking in 400 on this trade, so I'm locked in regardless. Can't lose for the day. I'm guaranteed $1,000.
Awesome.
Come on.
Awesome,
Keep
awesome.
rolling. Let me move. I'm gonna keep changing this thing up at this 400. We get to 1,000. I'm gonna move it up to like 700. Probably about to stop me out now. It's all good. That's all good. Go ahead and stop me out. Take me.
Nope, keep going. Keep going. Go to 511.
Let's go to that 511. Let's go. Let's go 511. Let's push 511. Let's push 511.
Need people to start buying in here. Hard rejection.
Yeah.
Right back up.
But it's shot up, yeah. Huh? We at the level. We on come on. It's holding.
It's holding. It's holding.
It's definitely holding though. We see how it play out. It's holding.
People like getting in at 50 cents.
Yep. Nice mark.
Boy, I tell you, Chris, man, they hit that 38.2 fib.
It
That's
did.
what it bounced off. Yeah, that's that line you had down there when you got in that.
Mm-hmm.
That's where it was a 509.75. That line. That was a good good decision. I mean, it's plain as day. That support line was strong.
1,400 for the day. You locked in 700, you said?
1,100. So I'm guaranteed 1,100.
Okay.
It's coming to take my stop loss right now. It's coming to stop me out. Then gonna shoot right back up.
Dang.
It should be stopping me out right now. There you go. 1,000. Locked in 1,000. Took my stop loss and watch it push back up. Watch. Watch it come and
$1,000
go.
a day, not bad. So we got a new high.
Yep. New high. Powerful move too.
Down to that 509.80 again.
See what QQQ got in the bag right now. Well, first let me hit these charts. Look at that 1 minute move right there. Lord mercy, that's
Ooh-wee.
crazy. That's massive on the 1 minute, right? Went right back down to
Yeah.
that support level. Look at the support level went down to the same support levels we have drawn. Right down to that 5, 10, 23. And then we have right here. That's a nice reversal candlestick on the 15 for me. That's something to watch. Something to keep an eye
Crazy on
on.
futures. That little move was $500.
Oh, which one? That red candlestick?
Yeah, the red candlestick we just formed, that's the $500 move on futures.
It's crazy. That's crazy.
Well, two contracts, $500.
And each contract on futures, 500, depending on what you buy.
Yeah, the minis are $500. The micros are
50, right?
50. Yes. So I buy 2 mini contracts for $1,000, and then every 25 cent the stock moves is 25 cent in my favor or against me, $25 in my favor or against me. That way, every time it moves $1, I get $100, just like for options.
Gotcha.
But it's always dead even, and I love it because you can sit in a trade for a while and not have to worry about theta.
Gotcha. Yep.
Now, I will say the options does make you a lot more money faster a lot of the time, especially because how you can multiply your delta and stuff.
Mhm.
But I like the consistency of futures.
Yeah, the not having to worry about time decay and all that stuff is everything. It's all about just being directionally right.
I know Mr. Pickering's not in the Discord, so I tell him, Mr. Pickering, I'm in a trade this morning on futures, and I'm outside, right? I had set $1,000 trade up, basically. I got in at 51.04, and it was supposed to go down to 51.99, right? So I'm outside watching my car. I get a notification on my phone that it's at 51.02. So I start seeing it pull back. It hit 51.90. I mean, it hit 50.99 exactly, right? So I'm set to get out at 50.98, 8.7. So $55,000, 98.7. So it literally comes right above mine and starts pushing back. I'm running in the house as fast as I can. I get upstairs. My computer
Yeah.
is off.
Ooh.
I'm in a full panic. I'm watching $1,000 just disappear. So then it's pulling back up, pulling back up. I ended up getting $450 off 2 accounts, so $900 between 2 trades.
Man, great stuff. That's a great
Oh, yeah.
trade.
Good stuff. Good
But
stuff.
when it moves against you, it can be nerve wracking because it can push and hit your stop loss really quickly. But it was just a nice setup, man. I mean, I'm in the middle of a car wash and everything. I just ran out of there.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to look at the futures, but I want to get this options down packed first.
Yeah, when you do, definitely funded is the way to go. It's so you don't have to use a lot of your income or anything like that to get in like you do.
Yeah, I got a
options.
friend of mine in New York talking about it right now. Everything. I was like, I don't see it worth it, but yeah, that's what he's telling me as well. He's
Mhm.
like, look, you need to go do a funded account.
Yeah.
But they
Yeah,
have a
you gotta
challenge
think
going. Huh?
You got to think with options we get in, we start with like $500 to $1,000 of our own money. With futures, you can get in for anywhere between like $18 and like $50 for a funded account. Now the difference is how you're able to take out money. You can take out money twice a month. For the first 3 months, maximum of $2,000 if you got like a $50,000 account, which is the one that I suggest for everybody because everything else you don't get the amount of money that you're allowed to take out really isn't that much more, and it's less if you go for the $25,000 account. But I got in for $18. I bought 3 accounts, so what, like $56. And once you're funded, once you hit that trailing threshold of $52,600, you can now pull out $2,000 on the 1st and the 15th, and then they'll pay you out on the 15th and the 30th. And it's a unique process to get funded. You got to follow the rules, but once you're funded, if you can be steady, just steady. You don't have to be good or like crazy or anything like that. You can make $500 a day very easily. That's 1% of the account. So that's pretty much what I average for the account. And then at the end of the month, you've made $10,000, of which twice a month you can pull out 2,000. And then on your 4th month, because it's all about longevity in this game, on your 4th month, you can pull out the max. There's no longer a limit.
Oh, that's dope. Now that's what I was about to get to. I was about to say now. I'm about to say, okay.
Yeah.
But it's that 4th month. That's when you
Yes,
make it to
sir.
the 4th month, you can pull out whatever, whenever, however.
Exactly. So stack yourself a cushion because your trailing threshold stops once you get to the trailing threshold and you get high enough, it stops following you, right? So you just stack yourself a cushion and then you're able to pull off of it twice a month. And then on your 4th month and beyond, unlimited pulls. There's no longer a cap on how much you can pull off. And what that allows them to do as a company, and while they're able to do that, is that allows them to have that cushion, a leeway, so that all the money's not coming out at one time and they tank or anything like that. But they do pay out, and it's a cool process. Minimum you can take out is $500.
It's dope. That's dope. Yep, I told you they came to take my stop loss and then go ahead and go MC Gusto crazy up, still going up. I ain't mad at it though. It's all good. It's moving. Look how it came right back down to these levels we have, everybody. It came right back down to the 5, 10, 23 level.
Those
And did
pull
what?
backs, man.
Bounce, and she went straight back up. And like we said previously, what is it respecting? It's respecting that 9 EMA to the T. It's not really coming. Well, it came to the 5-minute time frame this time as well. So that's good.
You know what it's like? It's like a boiler system. You know, it boils up, you got to release some of the pressure, boils up again, you got to release some of the pressure, but it's always boiling up. This thing might make it to 11.
Might have one more play in my bag. Like I said, I gave myself 3 plays. My first one was a winner. My second one was a winner. So I got one more play. Max I can lose is possibly 300. Max I will lose is 300. Call it a day. Guaranteed $700 for the day if I get into another play. And the video is just, I mean, we don't watch I literally don't watch the video go from $10 up to $19. Since we've been on this call, when I first did the videos up $10, now it's at $19. It's rolling.
We just broke my high.
Huh?
So we just broke my high. 51.23 was the highest that ES had ever been. It just broke that.
It's crazy. Same thing. Yep, SPX. Yep, 5116. She rolling. Still only a $2 day for SPY so far.
Well, guys, we're coming to the end of this. My phone is on 1% and my computer is on 1%. So we're about to die out here. You guys have a great day. Chris, be safe out there trading. 11 o'clock is on the way. It was good talking to everybody. I'll be back in here later on.
All right, Sebastian, have a good one, man. Enjoy your weekend.
All right. All right.
Nice push up. Nice push. Nice push. Did anybody else get any spot trades? Any other trades today so far?
No, I was in one from last night, and I wish I got out so early and everything. So made a little quick $30 off. So not upset.
Good stuff. Good stuff.
Yeah, if I would have stayed in, I'll be up probably close to $90 right now.
Hey, listen, that sometimes that done them pullbacks, man. Them pullbacks. Look, they scare the crap out of me sometimes. They just
yeah, they
me.
do. They do.
Mhm.
How they say it could be worse. So I could have took a loss.
Yeah, that's true. Definitely true.
It's all good. It's all good.
QQQ forming highs. Support right there as well.
We did 2 scalps today, Chris. We did one on Meta and one on SPY. Yeah, caught Meta going up, and then in the SPY.